Hello, please come in.
Hello, doctor.
How can I help you today?
I am not feeling well.
What seems to be the problem?
I have a fever.
Since when do you have the fever?
Since last night.
Do you have a headache?
Yes, I have a headache.
Are you feeling weak?
Yes, I feel very weak.
Do you have body pain?
Yes, my whole body hurts.
Do you have a cold or cough?
I have a little cough.
Did you check your temperature?
Yes, it was 101 degrees.
That is a mild fever.
Is it serious, doctor?
No, it is not serious.
That's good to hear.
Did you eat anything outside?
Yes, I ate street food yesterday.
That might be the reason.
Oh, I see.
Do you feel nauseous?
Yes, a little.
Did you vomit?
No, I didn't.
Are you having stomach pain?
No stomach pain.
Let me check your pulse.
Okay, doctor.
Your pulse is normal.
That's a relief.
Now I will check your blood pressure.
Sure.
Your blood pressure is fine.
Thank you, doctor.
You just need rest and medicine.
What medicine should I take?
I will give you a prescription.
Okay.
Take this medicine twice a day.
After food or before food?
Take it after meals.
For how many days?
For 3 days.
Should I take any tests?
No test is needed now.
That's good.
Drink plenty of water.
I will do that.
Avoid oily and spicy food.
What food should I eat?
Eat light food and fruits.
Can I drink tea or coffee?
You can drink warm tea.
What about coffee?
Avoid coffee for now.
Okay, doctor.
Get enough sleep.
Yes, I will rest.
Do not go outside today.
I will stay at home.
If the fever continues, come back.
When should I come back?
After 2 days if needed.
All right.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have any allergies.
That's good.
Thank you for checking.
Take your medicine on time.
I will follow your advice.
Don't worry too much.
I feel better now.
You will recover soon.
Thank you, doctor.
Take care of your health.
I will, doctor.
Call me if you feel worse.
Sure, doctor.
Have a good day.
You too.
Get well soon.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, doctor.